Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. So the process is quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So as you can see here on my screen or in the Google Sheets, I have a simple data. So if I want to calculate for the percentage of the percentage uploaded right here, so I have for this column I have the uploaded videos, and for this one the recorded videos. So in here, what I'm going to do is to simply type in the equal sign and then type in sum and then open bracket. And after the open bracket, just go ahead and select the first value and then divided by the second value and then close the bracket. And then once you've done that, just simply times that to 100 and hit the enter on your keyboard. So there you go. That's how you can calculate for the percentage of a data using Google Docs. But I am going to show you another process, also another method. So again, just go ahead and simply type in sum and then open data first value divided by the second data and then close bracket. And once you hit the enter, you will see this one right here. But if you want to convert that into a percentage, you should be able to do that by clicking this format as percentage section on the upper part of your screen, and there you have it. That's how you can calculate percentage using the Google Sheets by two methods. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.